So we're, on this Japamala, we should be able to pull the form of Radha Parthasarthi, our Ishtadev, Mera Ishtadev, Thakur, Radha Parthasarthi, Gandharvika Giridhari, Radha Govinda, Radha Shyamsundar. They should come out of those beads and say, here I am. Of course, Krishna doesn't growl. He doesn't growl and roar like a lion. He speaks very sweetly and softly and plays such a melodious and beautiful flute. So that we should manifest that devotion. Anyway, so Gopal Bhatta, he's remembering this pastime. So then he took rest. And then he woke up next day, on this day after Nrsimha Chaturdasi. Amazing sight when he opened the basket, because at this time he had just small straw basket worshipping his deities. And he saw his Damodar Shila, this small Damodar Shila, not very big, maybe this big, different size, it wasn't this big. Somehow or other, the Damodar Shila had turned into Radha Raman. Radha Raman ki! Gopal Bhatta Goswami ki! So this is another example of the power of faith and devotion. This is the one sterling example from the life of Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Because it is his ascension day. It is his Siddha Din. This is the day that he attained perfection and entered into Nitya Lila. We say Nitya Lila Pravishta Om. Nitya Lila Pravishta. He's fixed in his eternal pastimes of Radha Raman. And how is he fixed there? He is fixed there as Guna Manjari. Guna Manjari. Manjari, he's in Manjari Bhav. He is one of the Ashta Manjaris. Very dearmost Manjaris, Guna Manjari, Gopal Bhatta.